Today we're gonna just work on the blade, and so I've changed up some of my dimensions, and so I was looking at it, going back here, trying to figure out how I want the point, and so that was the first line I had with 2 inches, with a 1 inch difference, and a 2 inch baseline. But I want to change this to 2.5 inches, and this and this are 1.5 inch different now. So if that were a straight line coming down there, from there all the way over would be 1.5 inches. So change that, and well, I was always looking at katana blades, and they always have a curve in it. So instead of it being like an English blade where they're all straight like this, some of them have a curve in it. If I show you this, they have a curve like that. That's pretty much equivalent on the top here. And so I'm gonna make my blade so that this end point here lines up directly in line with the guard. So if I show you the guard that I have in one piece of the handle, when I go like this is going to be the handle, right? This is only a few pieces, but I want the end of the blade, the end curve of the blade, to line up with this part here. So I'm going to measure out so many inches over, and then figure out how far, or draw a line up to that 31 inch for the blade on the longest part here. It might be better showing you here. So I want this part there to line up there. That's the 31 inch line. And so for that to happen, I'm going to draw out that much. Draw a thin line up so that I know where the point is. Then do something else, like figure out this distance, put it there. Stuff I know how to do at the moment. And so, yeah, that's what we're going to work on. So today we're going to be using the big piece of foam core, and I might have to change the camera angle so you can get the whole layout. So now that you can see the whole piece of foam core, all the way from this point to this point, from that point to that point, like this, I'm going to start drawing it out. Alright, so now that we're here, we're going to start on making the blade. What I'm going to have to do is first figure out the calculations for how far I need this, replace them here, and then we'll get started. Are you starting the laundry?
No, I'm just bringing it down.
Okay.
I can start it later.
Okay.
I gotta make sure.
Alright, now I can start on the next side. Which may or may not be easier. This thing in the middle, I can use it. Possibly make that into a blade itself. And make it into its own sword. But I think I got them ready to go. So now I'm going to grab the X-Acto knife. Alright. And cut it out. And then, like I said, on this, I can show you that in the build video. Where I cut this out and show and put it together. But now, it's time for cutting. The half blade cut out. And then I have a nice triangle left. That's good.
And what are you making?
A sword.
Mm.
I'm making a video too. So if you don't want to be in that video, alright, so I got both halves cut out. Now my Deadpool. Except now, I gotta wait for these to de-bend. We gotta re-bend them because you can't see they're not straighter. So let me try and put it like this. They have a little bit of bend, so I need to flatten them out so that they get straight like that. And then, hopefully, tomorrow maybe, there'll be a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video.